Welcome to class. Today we are doing a 10-minute ab sequence. We've got 3 tracks and we're going to focus on different parts of the abdominal muscles in every track. It's not crazy choreography, but you do have to pay attention to the beat. I'm going to cue you through it and show modifications along the way. Feel free to make this your own, so you can always take the harder modification or easier if you need it. We're going to get started on our backs and cue music in 3, 2, 1. Start with your feet hip width apart. We're gonna start with a basic crunch. Up, 2, down, 2. Let's go. Up, up, down, down. A small contraction. Think about moving your rib cage down towards your heels as you reach. Change up the rhythm. Go up for 3. Take it 3, 2, 1. Release again. Up for 3, a little bit slower. Nice job. One more time, and then we're gonna slow it down. Super slow crunch for 4, 3, 2, 1, back down. 3, 2, one more time like that. Take your time. Nice job. Now back to that 2 and 2, knees up. Reach and release. Bring those knees right on top of the hips, 90 degrees. Reaching forward. And we're gonna change that rhythm. Take it to a triple crunch and then extend. Reach 3, 2, 1. Extend the arms and legs out into a T shape. The lower the legs go, the harder it is. One more time. Feet down, crunch center, lift up to the side, to the center, and down. Now switch sides. Center, keep going like that. Get those shoulders off the ground so that you're making sure to engage those obliques. We've got 4 more. Nice job. Keep those elbows out to the side. 2 more. 1 more time. Back to that super slow crunch. Up for 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. 1 more time. Up and back down. Take the feet up. Now reach for the opposite side. Reach, reach. Your legs are perpendicular, 90 degrees out from your body. Get the shoulders off the ground. 8, 7, 6, 5. All right, relax. Bend the knees, reach and pulse. Reach, reach. Burn it out just a little bit. Small contractions. Small burns make big results. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a second, bring your legs up. We're gonna alternate lowering each leg, right and left. Let's go. Down and up. Down and up. Now option, you can go halfway, or you can bend your knees for less intensity. If you want more, keep them long. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5. A little lower, you guys. Oh, there you go. Come on. Last 2. Bring the legs down and bring it up together. 3, 2, 1. Back down. 3, 2. One more time. Back up. Woo! Squeeze. And hold it, hold it, hold it. Ah. Release. Good job, you guys. Flip it over. We're gonna do the next track as a plank track. Get your hands shoulder width apart. Now option, you can always come to your knees for a beginner or level 1, but if you feel good, I want you to come onto your toes. If you are sagging the hips, drop to your knees, okay? If your butt's in the air, try to bring it down. Lengthen your spine, keep your head looking forward, press through those hands. A little bit of a hollow back is okay, or you can lift the chest. Now we're gonna add a knee tap, tap, tap. Now I don't wanna see you twisting your hips, okay? Very little movement in the torso. Think about being as still as you can, or you can just hold on your knees. We're gonna take it down onto the forearms, hold that plank. Now again, if your butt is in the air or if it's sagging, just go ahead and drop to your knees. Level 2, stay on your toes. Lengthen out, your shoulders right on top of your elbows. This is 2 minutes of planking. Rock forward with me for 2, and back for 2. Forward, forward, back, back. 2 more. Now pay attention to my cues. We're gonna follow the music, back up onto our hands, let's go. Back down to forearms, go right, left, back up, right, left. Right, left, back down, left, right. Back up, left, right. Last time. Now hold it, mountain climb the knees. Level 2 is here, level 1 is here. You don't have to go fast, but keep a long, flat back. 8, 7, 6, 5. Hold the plank, tap the foot out and in, out and in. Try not to move your upper body at all. There you go. Last 4, 3, 2. Hold it, hold it. Nice job. Release, back onto the backs. Last track of work, you guys. We're gonna work the obliques here. Knees up, arms out. Twist, opposite shoulder towards the knee. Doesn't matter which side, just switch every time. Nice job. Now add the kick. Bicycle. Same leg, kicks out as shoulder that lifts up. Nice job. Now continuous movement. Try not to stop at the top or bottom. Keep the chest open. Keep the elbows wide. Now double pulse, hold in, pulse, switch, pulse, switch. Nice job. Take the legs a little higher for less intensity, or you can take it lower. 8 more like that. 8, 7, oh, those obliques are on fire. Come on, finish it. Last 2, now the burnout, single time, let's go. 15, 14, 13. Again, you can take those legs higher. Shoulders off the mat. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Bring your feet hip width apart right near your butt. We're gonna come into a bridge and release. Up 2, down 2. Let's go. Up, up, down, down. Drive through the heels. Just giving our bodies a little bit of a release in the low back. One more time. Nice job. Now come to a forearm plank. Doesn't matter which side. Level 1, your bottom knee is bent. Level 2, stack the legs. Option, lift the top arm. Pulse. Up, down, up, down. Oh, right there. You should feel that burn in that oblique. Last 2, switch sides. Other side, forearm plank. Level 1, you're on that knee. Level 2, feet are stacked. Arm is up optionally or on your side. And lift. Pulse. Pulse. This is it, you guys. We're so close to the end. 10 minutes of abs right here. Last 2. Now forearm plank. Hold it. Booties down. Lift the chest. Nice and long. Hold it. 5 seconds. Hold it. Hold it. Woo! Release. Okay, let's cool it down for 1 quick minute, okay? Keep your hands out. A small Sphinx pose. Pulling your wrists back. Stretching through your abs. Woo, just breathe. Good job, you guys. Good work. I'm sweating. I hope you got a great abs workout. I know I did. All right, flip it over onto your backs. We're gonna go ahead and drop the legs to one side, keeping the knees stacked. Open up the arms and try to look away from the knees. A nice release in that low back. Switch sides. Keeping those knees stacked if you can. And look away. All right, back to center and reach long, stretch your whole body. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you got a great abs workout. Come back and do it again tomorrow, or join me next time when I show another workout video. If you want more videos like this, be sure to let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time.